Well, it ain't all about working on Jeeps. Sometimes you got to work on your other junk too. So this is my Shenniu 4 1/4 4-wheel drive 25 horsepower tractor. It needs a lot of maintenance on it. Been a good couple years since it's been gone through a couple real good. So in this video here, we're going to replace the exhaust. As you can see, she's leaning. And she gets whacked off of tree branches all the time, and it's finally come apart there on the bottom. So I've got everything down here with that elbow coming off the manifold, that flange right there, coated down in WD-40. And we're going to go ahead and remove on the exhaust. And we're going to try to do a different route. I think we're going to turn that elbow upside down if we can. Should be able to. Point this straight down. Come down about a foot. And then stick a 90 on it and go underneath the hydraulic cylinder. Right here. Beside the starter. And kick it out and just kick it straight down. And might put like a 8-inch cherry bomb. See if we can find a muffler for it. I'd rather it not be straight piped. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and remove on the exhaust here. And we'll start trying to take that apart. Alright, well, this is going to be real professional-like right here, because I'm pretty sure that... Yeah, that's all I had left. There's like one baffle in this. So, well, as you can see here, it rotted off where the baffle started in that center pipe. So, alright, let's get some sockets out, or ratcheting wrench out. See if we can. Nope. Nope. Heat it's gonna be. sometimes on a stuck bolt like that, shock force means a little bit more than just pure torque. So we've heated it up with the MAP gas. And we're going to take and we're going to tap this short ratchet that's handle. There she goes. So that's one. I'll go ahead and fight with the other one. If it breaks, I'll update you. If not, you've seen how to take one out. Now I got to move this thing to get the truck out to go get parts. So we'll see how freaking loud it is. Alright, so I got a jointed 2 1/4 pipe, which is a little bit bigger than what we need. And what we're going to try to do is weld it onto that old flange. So I've got it tacked in place there, and now we're just going to weld it on. Maybe. Alright, so here we go. We got some new bolts for this flange. There it is, loosely bolted in place. We're going to still take it off there and paint it. And here's how it exits. So basically you're going to have that come down, kick right out the side. I got the alignment a little bit off when I welded it, but it is what it is. It happens. Nothing's going to hit or interfere there, so it shouldn't be an issue anyway. Just tucks it in just nice and a little bit closer. So you really can't complain too much about that. So the next thing we're going to do is end up and get it back off there, and we're going to shoot it with some of this high temperature paint. Then we'll bolt it up and fire it up, see how it sounds. Alright, we got it installed on there. Let's fire it off and see if it's unbearably loud. I don't think it is. Alright, so right here's what we wound up with. Yes, Johnny Walker, I see you, bud. Right here's what we wound up with for the exhaust. Got it all painted, turned upside down, filled the vent hole there with some weld. And everything exits right down there, nice and tucked away. Shouldn't get whacked by any brush. So there we are on the new exhaust install. I'm gonna run it with no muffler. It should be okay. I mean.